In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your blog layout in Wix. To get started, make sure you're inside the Wix editor for the site that has your blog. Once you're in the editor, look toward the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar with several icons. Find the one labeled Pages and Menu. It usually looks like a small stack of pages. Go ahead and click on that. This panel is where you control all the pages on your site, and it's also how you'll get to your blog settings. When the Pages and Menu panel opens, you'll see a list of all your site's pages. Scroll through the list until you find the page that represents your blog. It might simply be called Blog or something similar, depending on how your site was set up. Once you spot the blog page in the list, click directly on it to select it. This tells Wix you want to work specifically with your blog page and its settings. Now, look closely at that same blog entry in the list. Next to the blog page name, you'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots. These 3 dots open additional options for that page. Hover over the blog page if you don't see them right away, then click on the 3 dots. This is a quick way to access more advanced settings for any specific page on your site. After clicking the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option labeled Settings. Click on Settings to open the Page Settings panel for your blog. This panel controls things like SEO, permissions, and most importantly for us, layout and design options that affect how your blog looks to visitors. Inside the Settings panel, you'll see a set of tabs or sections along the top or side, depending on the current Wix interface. Look for the tab labeled Layout. This is where Wix groups all the layout-related options. Click on Layout to open it. Here, you'll be able to adjust how your blog posts are arranged on the page, such as how many posts show at once, whether they appear in a list or grid, and how much spacing there is between them. Take your time to explore the layout options and preview how each change affects your blog. When you're happy with the layout, remember to save and publish your site so visitors can see the updated design. That's all you need to access and customize